Hey, what's up guys? My name is Vineet, and in today's tutorial we will be writing a logical coding program of Fibonacci series. So let's discuss about Fibonacci series and the logic which we'll be going to use in this program. So we have Fibonacci series as 1 1 2 3 5 8 13 and so on. So the logic which we are going to use in this program, so let's discuss that as well. So we will be using here three variable of integer type, and the first one will be previous, and the second one will be next, and the third one will be Fibonacci. So Fibonacci value we will be extracting from previous and next value, so it will be sum of previous and next. And one more thing, we have to perform here iterations so that we'll be able to extract the values as we have input. So we'll be having one input, so we need to print the number of series based on the input. So let's do iteration here. So in first iteration we'll be having previous value as 0 and next value is 1. So we need to extract the Fibonacci value here, so that we will be extracting based on the sum of previous and next. So let's do sum for previous and next. So previous is 0 and next is 1, so 0 plus 1 is 1. And let's do second iteration. So in second iteration we'll be reinitializing these previous and next value. So previous value will be reinitialized with next. So next value is 1, and next value will be reinitialized with Fibonacci value, so it's also 1. And so we'll be adding these previous and next value, and it will become new number of Fibonacci series. So previous plus next, that is 1 plus 1 is 2. And let's do for third iteration. So third iteration, again reinitializing the previous and next values. So previous will be initialized with next value, so next value is 1, and previous value will also become 1, and the next value will be the value of Fibonacci number, updated Fibonacci number, so that is 2. And so after addition in third iteration, the new updated value will be 2 plus 1 is 3. So in fourth iteration, the previous value will be reinitialized with the next value. So next value is 2, and we will be initialize previous with 2. That is the next value, and next value will be initializing with the value of Fibonacci, so that is 3. 3 will become the value of next. And so after performing the operation on previous and next, so Fibonacci updated value will be 3 plus 2 is 5. And let's do one more iteration for one more Fibonacci series number. So previous value will be next value. So next value will be assigning to previous variable, that is 3, and Fibonacci updated value, that is 5, will be assigning to next variable, so it's 5. So updated Fibonacci value will be 5 plus 3 is 8. So likewise it's keep incrementing iteration and keep generating a new Fibonacci value. So now we need to write Java program to perform this operation, and that operation input will be dynamic. It can vary. If your input number is varying, so your output should also vary. So let's get started with program. Private static and void we are using because we will not be returning anything to the caller method, and whatever value we will be extracting from the number previous and next, will be printing that Fibonacci series number here itself. So method name will be Fibonacci and will be having input parameter as num of integer type. So as we have discussed, we will be using here 3 variable of integer type. One will be previous and another one will be next, and third one will be Fibonacci, and this Fibonacci value will be the sum of previous and next variable. So previous plus next. So whatever value will be will be extracting from the sum of previous and next, that we are assigning to the Fibonacci variable, and the same value will be printing before iteration. So it's done, and let's write for loop, because if your number is 5 means we have to print the 5 digit of Fibonacci series. So it depend upon this input, how many series of Fibonacci, how many number of Fibonacci series you want to print. So int I is 2, because first iteration we have done here before this loop, and this one is the second iteration, so that we are trying to perform using loop. And let's do it for till the I value will not become less than or equal to num. So let's increase I value on each iteration. So now what we have to do here will be reinitializing Fibonacci value with the sum of previous plus next, and whatever value we will be getting of Fibonacci, will be printing that inside this loop. So let's print that. Now that extracted value is printed, that value will be printing by this line sysout. Now we need to update the previous and next value, these values, so that on next iteration we will be able to calculate the Fibonacci number. So let's do that. So as we discussed, we'll be assigning next value to previous variable. So let's do that. Next, and also we will be initializing updated Fibonacci value to the next. So let's do that as well. So now this logic is done. We just need to write main method to verify whether it's working or not. Fibonacci series dot Fibonacci. So initially let's pass 5 here, and let's check whether it's working or not. So it should give 5 number of Fibonacci series, 2, 2, 4 and 5. So you can see here 1 plus 1 is 2, and 1 plus 2 is 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5, and if we add 3 plus 5, it will become 8. So it will keep increasing. So you can see here these are nothing but the sum of last 2 number. So if we add these 2 number, it will become 2 new value. If we add these number, it will generate a new number, that is 3, and if we add 2 and 3, it will generate the new number. So if we in next iteration, if we adding 3 and 5, it will generate a new number, that is 8. So it's nothing but just addition of last two Fibonacci series number. So let's pass another input and verify whether we are getting correct output or not. So I'm passing here 10. So we will be having 10 digits of 10 values of Fibonacci series. Right now we have only 5. So you can see we have 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, sorry, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Yeah. So 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5 and 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 plus 8 is 21 and 21 plus 13 is 34, 34 plus 21 is 55. So we have passed only value 10 here, that's why we have only 10 number of Fibonacci series. If we pass it here like 20, so it will be printing 20 number of Fibonacci series. See, these are the 20 values of Fibonacci series. So this small program of small logic of Fibonacci series is working fine, and we have done with this video, guys, and thank you so much for watching these videos, and stay tuned for another videos. Thank you so much.